Hey guys, welcome back to the NexGuide. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this cool animation using just a single screenshot. Yes, it's that simple. All you need is any screenshot of your choice and an editing app you're comfortable with. If you're a beginner, I would personally recommend Kinemaster. It's super easy to use. So, without wasting any time, let's dive straight into it. First, add a background and increase its length a little like this. Then, add the screenshot on which you want to apply the animation and extend its length in the same way. Double tap to make it full screen. Now, select the background image layer, go to Color, and match it with the color of your screenshot. Make sure both colors are exactly the same. This will make everything look clean and seamless. Perfect. Now select the screenshot layer and tap on the In Animations option. From here, you can choose any animation you like. I will go with Slide Up, and I will slightly increase the speed using this slider. Next, you can also add an Out animation if you want. Tap on Out Animations and select Slide Down and keep the speed the same. And that's it. We are already 50% done. Just keep watching carefully and your animation will be ready in no time. Now select the screenshot layer and tap on the cropping option. Then crop the screenshot like this. First, we will crop the banner. After that, select the same layer again, tap on the three dots and choose Duplicate. This will create another identical layer, and it will also have the same in and out animations that we added earlier. Now look, in the first layer, we have cropped and kept only the banner. Now in the second layer, select the same cropping option and crop the profile picture. Watch carefully how I'm doing it. After cropping, both layers will look like this. Now, create another duplicate layer and crop the channel name part. In the same way, crop this section as well. Then, create one more duplicate and crop the first video thumbnail. The remaining two videos can be cropped in the same way. Just repeat the same process for each part. Once everything is properly cropped, your layers will look like this. Now, pay close attention to this part. From the first layer, move the timeline cursor slightly ahead around 0.15 to 0.20 seconds and shift the second layer to that point. Then, from where the second layer starts, keep the same gap and place the timeline cursor again. Now, move the third layer to that position. Repeat the same process for all the layers, maintaining equal spacing between each one. Now, your layers will look like this, nicely staggered. And with that, your video is ready. You can see the final result. If you found it helpful, make sure to drop a like. It really motivates me to create more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any upcoming videos. And if you want to master Kinemaster, definitely check out my series where I've shared a total 21 powerful tips and tricks. Give it a watch and I will see you there. Take care.